Emergencies don't wait for the right time. They show up uninvited, unexpected, and often expensive. That's why building an emergency fund is not just a financial tip, it's a necessity. It's your safety net, your stress shield, and the first true sign of financial control. The goal is simple but powerful. Start with a $1,000 emergency fund fast. Not for investing, not for shopping, just pure security. This small cushion protects you from sliding into debt when life throws a curveball like a car breakdown, medical bill, or lost income. From there, the real magic happens when you build toward 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If your rent, food, bills, and basic needs total $2,000 a month, then aim for $6,000 to $12,000 saved. It sounds huge, but you'll get there step by step. Open a separate high-yield savings account, not in your checking account where you'll accidentally spend it. Use banks like SoFi, Ally, Capital One 360, or UFB Direct. Automate small weekly transfers. Even $25 a week becomes $1,300 in a year without lifting a finger. Add in windfalls, tax refunds, side hustle cash, birthday money, and watch it grow. Slash unnecessary expenses temporarily. Pause subscriptions, cut restaurant spending, sell unused items online. Turn clutter into cash and put every dollar toward your peace of mind. Try a 30-day no-spend challenge or drive Uber for a month and dedicate all the earnings to your emergency fund. Don't just think about it, take action. And remember, once you hit your emergency fund goal, protect it. Don't use it for vacations or treat yourself moments. It's not your fun fund, it's your freedom fund. Label it mentally. Do not touch unless it's serious. This money doesn't grow your wealth, it preserves it. And when life gets messy, because it will, you won't panic. You'll be prepared. That's the power of having a cushion. You won't need to reach for a credit card or borrow from friends or fall behind on rent. You'll just handle it calmly, confidently. And that's what financial freedom feels like. The emergency fund isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much control you have over your future. If you're serious about getting ahead, make this step non-negotiable. Set a deadline, build momentum, and protect your future self. Hit that like button if you restarting yours today. Drop a comment saying, "I'm building my safety net." And subscribe because next we diving into how to make more money. The exact side hustles and income strategies you can stack to hit your financial goals faster. This is Money Loop, and you're just getting started.